Okay, so I've got this nice container root and transplanting knife. It's sharp blade on one side, serrated on the other, and where it really comes into its own is when you're potting on. So particularly in a terracotta pot, often the roots will sort of almost stick to the outside of the clay pot. And in the past I've always used a red knife or something like that, but with this you have this nice knife that you can run around the outside and just free them like that, and moving it onto the bigger pot in a minute. So you just want to cut all those little root connections right down, free it, and the aim is for it to come out in one nice root ball. So cut all round. This is a jacaranda, by the way, a dwarf jacaranda bonsai bloom, which I'm very happy with. And hopefully, yep, beautiful. So we've cut around the edge here, loosened all those roots that have stuck to the outside. It's come out in a lovely root ball like that, and it's just going to find a new home now with some more compost in that bigger pot. But no, a great gadget, really useful.